Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make your TikTok account not private. So if your account is private, you can simply make it unprivate, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. On the right bottom you will see a profile, so you have to click on profile button, and on the right top you will see three lines on the right top. Just click on it and go to the privacy from here. Once you will do it, your private account toggle is turned on like this. Just make it turn off. So once you will do it, your account will be not private anymore on the TikTok. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.